This is before, this is after. What a difference. Who could take a shower in the before? Not me. Thanks for watching how to increase your shower water pressure on your new shower head or your old shower head. What you're gonna wanna do is go to your shower head and take a look. You see that little black ring? It was a little bit deeper in there, and I had to show you guys because I got one hand to record this. And all I did is get a razor blade or get a sewing needle or something and pull that black rubber ring out. That is blocking the water from going into those little holes around there and slowing it down. So now you'll have much more water pressure. Every design is different, but look for something like that. If I really wanted to get crazy, I can cut this little circle ring out and I'd have way more pressure, but that should do the job, pulling this little rubber ring out of there and stopping, what, 50% of the flow. So now we're gonna try it and see what happens. If you have a basic shower head, it will be pretty much the same thing. You'll have that little blocker or something like that. This one's got a little mesh screen right there, but I'm not gonna take that out because that's not gonna stop water pressure. With that rubber ring over those holes, that was really blocking it, so that's what did it. The mesh screen on this end is probably just blocking off sediment and stuff like that, calcium that gets built up over the years.